Hello guys, how are you? As you know, my name is Farzan and today is my ninth day to speak in front of camera in English. And few minutes ago, I am thinking why I am doing consistent these things to making videos in front of camera and uh, speak fluently in front of camera. So that's why I am doing. Firstly, if I'm talk about my consistency to talk in speaking English in front of camera, so because I'm doing that thing, because I am also uh, want growth in my career and I am also want something big in my life. And if I am thinking to uh, go pinnacle of success, so definitely I want to learn how to speak in front of public, in front of uh, peoples. If I am not talking in English, so I did not connect with the world, I did not connect uh, with the peoples who know better and who have knowledge. So as we also know, all the knowledgeable person and all the university professors are give their knowledge into the in professional language in English. And if I want to learn these things and if I want to connect with the European companies and American companies, so definitely I want to learn how I am speaking English. It's the most uh, demanding language in the world at the time. And if I want to uh, earn more money and if I want to uh, go pinnacle of success, so definitely I want to learn English. And as you also know, my name is Farzan and I am making videos uh, daily to growth my speaking and influency in English. And if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel to watch my journey. When I am talking in front of camera, so I feel motivated. And I feel when I met with someone, so definitely I talk with person with English. And day by day I see in my tongue, uh, I have changed my mind and I have tried to speak in front of public also. I am saying in my self growth day by day, because when I started my journey, so that time I am stucking most of the time. And I stuck what I'm talking. But recently, as you also see, I talk about something. I talk about my personality. And recently I started my also a business. His name is Drug Decor. It's basically a curtain business. So if I want to grow my business and I want to raise the funds to the investors, so it is also a helpful when I am speaking English and when I am connected with professional peoples, because all the document process and all the market are also talk in English and also trust who people talk in English. So recently I am uh, try to learn new things and try to grow my speaking skill. That's all about myself. And so let's close the video. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel to see my journey.